In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to remove a green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If you found value, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step is to have your video on the Adobe Premiere Pro timeline, and then go under to Effects, and then type in the search bar color key, and then under keying, click color key and drag this onto your video layer as it's applied, and then click effects control, and then under color key, if you don't see this, you can click the drop down arrow, and to the right click this eyedropper tool, and then click on the screen or on the program, and as you can see, it removed the color green. So now when we play our video, we now have the color removed, or the green screen. And you can even mess with the color tolerance, and let's say if we type in 50, you notice it actually removed more of the color green. Edge thin, if we do 1, and it removes it just a little bit more. Or should I say, this is the before, and this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.